Hello, hello, ladies and gents. Hang on one sec. Let's get this puppy figured out. Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing today? We are. Well, my name's. Let's go with My Flying V. And today I'm kind of reviewing this thing called the Pi Network. I got a little message on my Instagram. I saw a little ad that pretty much was introducing this network. And I thought I'd go over it. It's kind of cool. It's crypto mining. So I mean, here it is here, and I thought it was somewhat interesting due to the fact that I've been around crypto for a little bit, and I thought it was an interesting approach. Allegedly, it was founded by some Harvard students, but the thing that caught my attention is you can sign up, you have to be a real person, and just start mining, and you don't actually have to look at your phone all the time. I've seen some miners that do that, or you don't have to have a high GPU rig like to mine Ether or Bitcoin, or Litecoin. This is just a simple way just to mine, And here are some of the features, This is the home. Earn Pi. You literally just sign up and hit a little thunderbolt, and it starts mining. And I guess the mining session is every 24 hours. So I started mine a few minutes ago, and as you can see here, where I have the mouse, it's mining already, and it's kind of cool. All right, and contributor. I guess after 3 days, you can become a contributor. I'm still new to this, so I literally just signed up a few minutes ago. And you can invite other people thereafter to be part of your crew. Ambassador, you invite 0 new pioneers. Your earning team has one. Something cool is that for every person you invite, you get 25% more mining capability per session. So if you share it, I guess you'll earn more. Thing about this project is it's not worth anything. It's worth less than a penny, or $0.00, like a fraction maybe. It's not even on an exchange, so I would just say it's worthless at this time being. But as soon as it becomes more decentralized, more liquidity is provided. I'm not entirely sure on the specs on how liquid it is once it does go live on a decentralized network. Then that'll be the determinant. But I just thought it was a good way to kind of mention this project. It's a great way for people who don't want to pay any money to earn crypto. Because you could buy crypto on exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. There's a lot of other ones. There's Bitcoin trusts, like funds that you can invest in. But this is a good way to kind of get your feet wet without having to put any money out, and just kind of be part of a small crypto that's growing. I think as of right now, it only has 10 million miners, active people that are mining this. And I think phase 2 is once they reach 100 million, then they're gonna go into phase. I think that right now they're in phase 2. Then once they go to 100 million, they'll go into phase 3, which will then be, I guess, incorporating a decentralized network. That's kind of what I've understood so far. That's right. So I have the app downloaded here on my phone, so it's kind of where I'm streaming my phone to this computer right now. So interesting. And there's the white paper in case anyone wants to go through it. The white paper has the information about this crypto and its mission, its plans, background, its purpose. it's saying that banks are taking advantage of people, so it's trying to provide an alternative way, just like Bitcoin is kind of a way to. Well, what Bitcoin has been called is a store of value, kind of like gold. So it's a little different. I think they want to use it as a currency, not really a store of value. I know there are some countries that are unstable, like for example, Venezuela. Um, their currency crashed to the point where they carried wheelbarrows full of cash, and it was barely worth anything, barely worth enough to buy a loaf of bread or anything like that. So I mean, it has its applications, but that's neither here nor there. That's beyond the route. That's going down the rabbit hole a little bit. So just as a surface kind of thing, this seems like a cool project. The people involved, they do have an Instagram. If you look up Pi Network, you check it out. It has a little bit about the founders, and I'm still learning. I'm still exploring the app, but it does seem to, you know, be a safe way to get your feet wet in the crypto world, while at the same time getting involved in something that's at the starting stages. But anyway, after I complete my first few sessions, I'll come back and give another review on the Pi Network, see how it works. All right, well, thank you. Deuces.